Hey guys, I'm JP. Welcome to the Better Diet Way, where we look into diets, nutrition, foods, and anything we consume. We look at the pros and the cons of the diet, and we look at how it is good for us and what is not so good for us. We also look into how it can help for our own personal goals, from losing weight to having more energy and becoming more healthier. Join me on this personal journey as I find out more about the diets and foods that will help all of us start living the better life we want. If you saw my last video, I spoke about the keto diet and explained how it works. Make sure you check that out. I'll add a link in the description. So just to recap, when you hear about the keto diet, the first thing you perhaps think of is what could possibly make it as good as people say. The answer is there are many benefits that can change your life. I'll cover off 7 of them here today. So what is exactly the keto diet? So just a little recap of what I spoke about in the last video. The diet recommends that it is a low carbs, moderate on proteins, and high in fats. The idea is to fine tune the intake in order to send the body into a state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it is no longer has stored glucose sugar to fuel its energy needs. With sugar out of the way, the body has no choice but to tap into its fat storage to get by. The liver converts this fat into ketones, and that becomes your new energy source within your body. Today, as promised, I wanted to cover 7 key benefits of the keto diet. Unlike other diets that offer just weight loss benefit and little else, the keto diet comes with many other benefits as well. So without a doubt, weight loss is the primary goal of the keto diet. It works well because the body is looking for fat reserves to power its metabolism. It can be interesting to go deeper into the process. However, when the body is deprived of the carbs, it enters the state of ketosis where the blood sugar and insulin levels fall, and the body has to use the fat reserves, and therefore leading to greater weight loss. So when your fat storage enters the bloodstreams, it makes way for the liver to turn that energy into ketones for processing. As long as your diet allows you to stay in a calorie efficient, you will enjoy the weight loss benefits of the keto diet. So benefit number 2, it takes the edge off your appetite as well. So when your diet isn't heavy on carbs, you'll find that out you don't crave as much food as before. Many people who get onto the keto diet are able to fast for most of the day and only eat at meal times. They are simply not as hungry as before. You'll notice that you won't need to be snacking during the day as well. Point number 3, benefit number 3, improved ability to focus. When you choose a regular diet that puts carbs into your body, your brain has to deal with the rise and falls of sugar levels that happen as a result. Inconsistent energy levels can make it hard for the brain to focus. With the keto diet, however, the energy source is consistent and constant. The brain is better able to stay focused. Benefit number 4, you feel more energetic. So when you're on a regular diet, your body is always on the verge of running out of energy. You need to constantly eat to refuel. When on the keto diet, however, the body taps into the fat reserves and it's nearly like an unending energy source. The body then is able to maintain the constant energy levels throughout the day. The result is you end up feeling a lot more energetic. Benefit number 5, it helps you fight diabetes. When and if you suffer from type 2 diabetes, your body experiences high level of insulin. Since the keto diet takes excess sugar from your diet and helps stabilize your HbA1c counts and reverses type 2 diabetes. Benefit number 6, you get improved levels of cholesterol. HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, helps get rid of the body's bad cholesterol. So when you're on the keto diet, your body's HDL cholesterols rise, which is good, and reduces the bad cholesterol, the LDL. Benefit number 7, and the last one that we have here for you today, you get better blood pressure. So when you're on the keto diet, it drops your blood pressure. Many people on the keto diet find that they're able to stop taking blood pressure medicine altogether. The keto diet can change a person's life. It isn't really a difficult diet to get a hold of and get on top of, and there are many other benefits and also recipes. So there are the 7 benefits. If you're looking for keto recipes, make sure you check out the playlist in this channel and make sure you subscribe. So the next video I'll be going through and talking about the keto flu. If you come across this, make sure you comment down below, and also I have a free cookbook with delicious keto recipes, and I'll leave that link down below as well. So hit me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and remember, no one regrets eating well. See you guys.